Good afternoon, guys. Quick video then today for one of my smaller steel saws. They're absolutely beautiful saw. Not perhaps not as common as several of the other similar size saws like the 020 or the 015 or the 010. So this is the 012. Beautiful saw, 45 cc's. It's had a very recent steel roller-matic bar, so runs beautifully, starts beautifully, cuts really well, and so I'll quickly show it running, doing a cut, and then hopefully suitable for when you're out there. Hope it's not too dark on the video. It's getting hard to get back from work when there's enough light to do a decent video. So I've got some timber about 14 inches. It's saturated, so I don't know how well it'll cut, but it'll be interesting to see. So typically the saw starts the same every time for me, which is everything working, choke, kill switch, throttle lock. It's why really knotty wood as well, so cuts it really well if I'm in shot, that is. Even okay, and I'll quickly show her on a restart. Kill switch. It's got fabulous compression. It's normally just one pull. Okay, so what I'll also quickly do, I'll do a very quick walk around with the camera, just give people an idea of its overall condition. It's in beautiful shape, the saw. It only had one owner before me, and I was ever so fortunate to have found it at a steel dealership, and the original owner had part exchanged to a bigger saw, and I was fortunate enough to buy this one. So it's got a beautiful steel roller-matic bar. You see from the front of the engine casing is virtually no paint off. She's just in beautiful condition. Chain brake obviously working, as is the choke and throttle lock. Very clean all round, no damage to the handle. And quickly on the underside, I'll give it a clean as well if somebody buys it, as I do with all of them when they go back in. And okay, thanks for watching, guys. That's my STIHL 012. So I don't know if I mentioned at the beginning, they're 45 cc's and the claimed horsepower is 2.2. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.